Making a tater tot casserole. You're going to need 1 pound of sausage. I'm using the Jimmy Dean Country Mild. You can use hot or whatever kind of sausage you want. You're going to need half a bag of that. Have your oven preheating at 350 degrees. You're going to need a cup of cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of mozzarella. It has to be all shredded. I don't have mozzarella, so I'm going to use half a cup of the Fiesta blend that I have. A half a teaspoon of salt, 1/3 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/3 teaspoon of onion powder, a cup of milk, and 4 eggs. I'm just going to put the sausage in. You have to cook the sausage. So let's put it all in there. Alright, this is almost done. Spray that lightly. Mix these up. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Third teaspoon of onion powder. Third teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay. And then see, just whisk that together. It says to toss the tater tots, sausage and cheese together. Okay, so I'm just going to do that in the frying pan instead of using another bowl. Let's just pour half. Let me see if that's half. And put a cup of cheddar cheese and a 1/4 cup of mozzarella. But I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to be using the Fiesta. I got a 1/4 cup of the Fiesta cheese. Toss all of that together with the sausage. Just toss all of this together. Now, let's put it in to the baking dish. Not trying not to spill any of it. What you do is the egg mix, you're just gonna pour it all over. Then you're gonna put it in the oven for 60 to 70 minutes. I'm gonna check it at 60 minutes. And make sure it's uncovered for baking time. Forget to add the milk, so I hope this doesn't mess it up because it's been cooking for a good 20 minutes. I just remembered. So let's put it back in the oven. Just put a cup of milk over it. See how it turns out. It's 9 minutes for it to cook. And I'm going to take the rest of this cheddar cheese and I'm just going to put it all over the top. and then put it back in the oven for 9 minutes. I put it back in there for 10 more minutes, and just let it set for about maybe 5 minutes, and then we'll cut into it. Okay. This smells really good. Now you can add peppers and chopped onions if you want. I bet you that would be good, but this recipe didn't call for it. But I have seen others, like Pioneer Woman, make it with that. Okay, let's try it. Looks like adding that milk after it started cooking it didn't hurt it. It soaked right into it. Okay, let's taste this. That's good. Let me get a tater tot here. Very good. Yeah. Just don't do like me and forget the milk and the, you put it in with the egg mixture and then pour it over. But it turned out really good.